Okay, installation is in reverse of removal. Let's see if that's true. Insert brake cable. Attach it where you need to attach it. I like to move the boot away from the bottom anchor part so it goes through the hole easier. Then put the boot back down. Don't forget the clip. Don't attach it yet to the caliper because you want to attach the cable on the inside first, so push the cable in. So that's attached, that's okay. We'll do the other side. You should be able to reuse these anchors. If not, if they break, you can get those new. Check with your local parts supplier or dealership. Okay, now we work on the inside. Reason for replacing: the boots are broken, water gets in. You can see how rusty this is. This one moves nicely. This one hangs up because of the rust. There's point of origin, water getting in. You can see the rust and water got all the way to the front here. And this one is nice and clean still. Okay, if you're lucky like I just got lucky here, the cable's already poking through the hole. If not, all you got to do is grab the cable, pull it through. Two different type of nuts. One is a locking nut or a jam nut. The other one is a pivoting nut or an actual mounting nut, whatever you want to call it. Screw that on. Don't go too far at this stage. Okay, once the nuts are in place, you can connect the cables underneath at the calipers. There should be enough slack, so you just pull it up and hook it in. You might have to push the arm down a little bit. Same on the other side. It's easier if the wheel is out of the way, or when the wheel is out of the way. If that doesn't work, use some pliers, grab the end and pull it up and over. Make sure that the wheels still rotate. And now continue with adjusting inside the vehicle. Follow the instructions in the service manual on how to adjust. I basically just turn the adjusting screws and I turn them evenly or at the same amount of distance. And then I pull up on the handbrake and check how many clicks. Usually 3 clicks is good enough. Release the handbrake, make sure the wheels are free. That one's a little stiff, so we back it off a bit. Try it again. Nice and free. It's not too bad. Lock the 2 nuts together. Mounting plate for the center console cover. A bit of rust here, signs of shavings, something's wearing, so it's a good idea to loop some the pivot joints here. Hook the console back in. Mounting screws. Found the hole without even looking. That's it. Take it for a test drive. Check for overheating of any of the rotors, parts. That's it. Thanks for watching. So installation of parts is in reverse of removal. That saying is true.